This video is going to show you how to set your pump and bypass box under the counter and or update from our older black plastic box to the new stainless steel bodied box. Both these processes are very similar, the difference being that when you move a pump from the pallet to under your counter, you'll be able to leave in the permanent side or the side that connects to the back of the motor. This side does not have to get removed if you're simply moving these pumps under the counter. If you're doing a complete update, it will. So the first step would be to disconnect all wires for a total update, and then using a 9/16 wrench, remove your solenoid switch. After that, you're going to set this solenoid switch aside. You'll be able to use it in your new bypass box, the stainless steel type. Parker valve body. Move the box. Here's where you'll install your new stainless steel box. What you do first, though, 1/4 inch bit driver to remove the plate. And using those same screws, you'll mount this solenoid switch to the inside of your bypass box we've already done. Install the box over the top. Lock washer, the 9/16 nut, slide on and secure firmly down. This is where you'll get the hold for the rest of the bypass box. Now we're going to first connect the permanent side, the side that goes to the back of the motor. Phillips screwdriver, you can secure the wire ties underneath the bypass box. Now if you're doing an update from your black box, your ground wire would have previously lived in the 3rd position of the white terminal. Now you'll need to remove that, obviously. Make sure that your wire has enough integrity to withstand a crimp, and then you're going to crimp on one of the ring terminals that'll be sent with you in the replacement kit. This will wind its way along the floor along with one more ring terminal, the ring terminal that'll live on the green wire from the solenoid switch, that you removed from the plate. Both these ring terminals need to go on the base of the box right above the star washer, which you'll be able to see here. Fastest way we found to tighten this down then is to hold the bottom with the 7/16 wrench and use a 7/16 bit driver over the top. Now, reusing your blue jumper, you're going to make blue and black live together in the 2nd terminal position, and white and your red from your solenoid switch live in the 1st position. Blue connects to one post, your valve, and then your white from the solenoid valve will connect to the other post. These posts run perpendicular to the bottom of the box. The post that runs parallel will be the ground, and that'll be unused with the silver bypass box because we're running all grounds to the new post. The white and the red run into the 1st terminal position. Now with this done, you're ready to set the non-permanent side, or the side you would have to disconnect to get your pump and motor underneath your counter. And this side lives on the left as you view it this way, side of the terminal. Again, if you're updating from the black bypass box to the new stainless steel one, you're going to have to crimp these 2 terminals on. They will come with the kit, but again, they will not be found on your cords. You're going to have to install your green ground ring terminal and your female quick connect red terminal to the red. The red and then the black volt signal, 5-volt signal, connect together. Tuck those away. The green ground on the non-permanent side, or the side that you only need to take off to move these under the counter, will live above the original nut and under your lock nut. Again, the fastest way we found to run these down is the 7/16 driver, while making sure you hold on to the bottom. Get it nice and tight. With this tight, all you have left then is to connect the black to the black side, or the second position terminal, and the white to the white, or the first position on the terminal. And with that, you should have a bypass box ready to go. It's extremely important that when you're doing this, your machine is not only off but unplugged. Also important to note that anytime you have grounds with power, you have the potential of energizing a ground or energizing the body of the machine. It's critical that grounds go to grounds, do not come into contact with any wires that have power, the white, the black, the red, the blue, and that all of this is contained, then able to install the top. Connect your appropriate hoses, and you're good to go.